Hello everybody and welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to get a verification code on Google Authenticator. First of all, open the Google Authenticator app on your phone. And if you haven't set it up yet, tap on the plus button at the bottom right. Then you will get two options: scan a QR code or enter a setup key manually. On the website or app where you're enabling two-factor authentication, you will be given either a code or a key. If it's a QR code, just point your camera to scan it, and if it's a setup key, copy it and paste it in the Authenticator app manually. Once added, your account will appear inside the app with a 6-digit code. This code refreshes automatically every 30 seconds. Whenever you log in, simply open Google Authenticator, find your account and enter the latest 6-digit code before it expires. And that's all. That's how you get a verification code on Google Authenticator. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more of these videos, and thank you for watching.